If you joined us for the Maker's Reset earlier this year, you're going to recognise these images. It was the inspiration for my fabric collage. I took a piece of Bondaweb and I traced the main shapes onto the paper side. Then I cut out each shape and ironed them onto the back of fabric. So the back of the fabric is on the glue side of the Bondaweb. Remember, this does give a mirror image. The next piece of footage here is where I am sticking the fabric collage onto the base fabric. The fabric that I'm using as a base is some cotton sheeting. I start in the centre and work my way outwards. You can see that I use a pin to scratch through the paper on the backing. I find it so much easier to do this than trying to peel from one of the edges. I'm going to place one or two more pieces before ironing again. You'll be able to see me getting rather confused about the mirror image. I actually had the piece in the right place right from the word go, but I just find it difficult and I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to make a mistake. Nothing more embarrassing than messing up when I'm filming. So every time that I stick the pieces down, I use a piece of baking parchment or silicone baking paper to prevent the iron getting covered in glue. You need to press the iron in place for long enough for the glue to activate. I've speeded up the rest of the process. And here's the completed image. As you can see, it is a mirror of the original, and I've started to stitch into it. So I've added some crumbs of fabric and lots of stitch just to start to give the picture a little bit more texture.